Hello, today you're looking at a Pacific Press 15 cubic foot air over hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. This filter press weighs in at 3,750 pounds. It is a 15 cubic foot press. It comes with 3,800 millimeter gasketed plates. Here's the rest of them sitting over here for you, all cleaned out. It has gasketing and cloths installed. They're in okay condition, but we can put in replacement ones for you for additional costs. Over here we have the plate shifter hooked up here. Makes it real easy to dump your cakes out. On the back we put in brand new PVC plumbing. In between the legs measures in at 106 inches to fit a trash can or dumpster underneath there. Over here on the control panel, we have digital controls. You can see our pressure gauges here. We've completely refurbished this filter press over here at Lanco. We'll turn it on for you so you can see it run here. We'll set it to on. Closes on up till it reaches the end of the stroke there. And closes back real easily as well. If you're interested in purchasing this filter press, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.